In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list view or table view where the column you want to remove is currently displayed. This is important because you need to be in the specific view that contains the field you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct workspace, folder or list before making any changes, especially if the column is used for active projects or shared team workflows. Once you're in the right place, locate the column you want to delete and click directly on the column heading. This will open the available options for that field. Be careful to select the correct column, since deleting a field can affect the data connected to it. If you're working with several similar columns, it's a good idea to pause and double-check the field name before moving forward. After clicking the column heading, look for the trash icon or the option labeled Delete field. Select that option to begin the deletion process. At this point, ClickUp will usually ask you to confirm the action before the field is permanently removed. This extra confirmation step is helpful because deleting a custom field is not just a visual change to the table. It can also remove the stored data associated with that field. When the deletion confirmation appears, review it carefully. Make sure you understand exactly what will be deleted. In most cases, this means the column itself and any custom field data stored inside it. If the field contains important project information, this is the moment to stop and verify whether that data is still needed. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent accidental data loss. If everything looks correct and you're ready to continue, click Delete to remove the column and its custom field data. Once confirmed, the field will be removed from your view and the associated data will no longer be available in that custom field. And that's all it takes to delete a column in ClickUp. The key is to make sure you're deleting the right field and to carefully read the confirmation message before finalizing the action. This helps keep your workspace organized while avoiding unnecessary mistakes. Thanks for watching.